stop scrolling for a second muna mga preng. Because if you are planning to buy a motorcycle and you choose the wrong one, you're not just wasting money preng. You're wasting years of comfort, fuel, and peace of mind. And today mga preng, habang nagra-ride ako dito, I tell you something most sales agent will never tell you. Let's be real lang mga preng ha, hindi naman tayo bumibili ng motor para magyabang araw-araw. We buy motorcycle because life here in Philippines is traffic, ulan, init, lubak, long rides, short rides, all mixed together mga preng. Ang tanong kasi palagi is this, which motorcycle will not stress you out every single day? Hindi yung pinakamalakas mga preng ha, hindi din yung pinakamaganda sa picture, but the one that fits your real life. Mga preng, let's start with one of the most searched motorcycle in the Philippines, the Honda Click 160. Why do people search this? Because this bike is honest mga preng. Automatic, no clutch stress, no mental load in traffic. You twist the throttle, you go. And here's the psychology behind it. People who chose Click 160 are not lazy mga preng. They are efficient thinkers. They value time. They value comfort. They want something that just work. Preng, Click 160 shines in daily use. Fuel efficiency, sobrang solid. Parts availability, everywhere. Maintenance, kahit saang talyer mga preng. But here's the truth nobody like to say. It will never feel sporty. It will never give you that aggressive adrenaline rush. And preng, that's okay because not every rider wants to fight traffic like it's racetrack. Di ba mga preng? Now let's talk about the other side of the brain, the Yamaha Sniper 155. This motorcycle is not just transportation mga preng, it's emotion. When you ride Sniper, you feel more connected to the road. Manual clutch, more control, more feedback. Mga preng, this is for riders who don't just want to arrive. They want to feel the ride. But here's the psychological cost mga preng. Traffic plus clutch plus long days equals fatigue. Mga preng, if you love riding, you'll enjoy it. If you just need to survive daily commute, it can drain you. So the real question is not Click versus Sniper. The real question is, do you want ease or engagement? Now, quick reality check tayo mga preng. Yamaha Mio i125, one of the most underestimated motorcycle. This bike is for people who don't need validation. Lightweight, super tipid, perfect for city riding. And preng, if your daily travel is short, if your value simplicity, this bike quietly wins. It doesn't scream power. It whispers reliability. So next natin dito mga preng, dream versus reality. And then there's the dream bike, the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Let me be very honest mga preng ha. This is not a daily Philippine traffic bike. This is a weekend happiness machine. If you buy Ninja 400 thinking it will make daily life easier, you'll suffer. But if you buy it knowing it's passion ride, talagang you love it mga preng. Here's the mistake most riders make. They ask, which bike is better? Mga preng, the smarter question dapat is, which bike match who I am right now? Kasi mga preng, motorcycle are not upgrades. They are tools for a pace of your life. Your lifestyle will punish the wrong choice every single day. Kaya mga preng, if I were you, if daily traffic is your life, I choose Click 160. If riding is your therapy, I choose Sniper 155. If city errand dominate your day, Mio i125. And if riding is your escape, Ninja 400. No hype, no bias, just reality. Mga preng, right now habang umaandar tayo sa daan, imagine riding something that doesn't fight your lifestyle but supports it. Because the best motorcycle is not the fastest one mga preng. It's the one that make you want to ride again tomorrow. Mga preng, if this help you think clearer, don't rush your decision. Save this video, watch it again, and choose with your life, not your eyes. At kung nakarating ka man dito mga preng, maraming thank you. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe o mahilig ka sa mga content na ganito, ayan, click mo yung subscribe button down there. Share mo na din sa mga katropa mong mahilig sa ganitong content o naghahanap ng best motorcycle para sa kanila, hindi para sa mata. And again mga preng, this is Miko dito sa Miko TV and I'm saying have a wonderful day, bye-bye, and I love you. Subscribe, like, and share.